Hey everyone, in this video I would like to start with one of the most requested features in OpenAlgo. So it's a WhatsApp bot alert. I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp with OpenAlgo and you can set up within 30 seconds and you can start using a WhatsApp bot. So let's quickly get into that. Here I'm using the latest OpenAlgo version. So where I'll go to my profile icon, from there you will be able to see WhatsApp bot, right? So let me click on that. So here I'm going to pair with my WhatsApp bot. I'll start pairing. So the moment I click on start pairing, it will be opening up the QR code. So I will go to my WhatsApp app and I will go to the linked devices and then I'm going to scan the QR code. So once the scanning is done, automatically it will be pairing up. This pairing will not take not more than 30 seconds. So you're connected. So now you're good to go and test your WhatsApp bot, right? So let's go and test it out. So I'm going to bring my Telegram application over here. So here I connected to my own account. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say /help. If I'm going to ask the /help, the bot will be instantly coming up with a list of bots. So let's say I want to send something like I want to get the PNL, right? I can go and get the PNL or I can go and get the funds for, let's say for timing, I'll get with the funds. So automatically the bot will be automatically respond. The response is coming directly from my OpenAlgo. I can also go back and get the codes as well. So I can just get the code. I can just say I want to get code for Reliance. I can go and get the code for Nifty. For example, I can get the code code for Nifty. The exchange is like NSC_index, right? I can go and get that codes as well. So automatically I'll be getting the codes. I can also go and get my order book, trade book, position book. So all those things, which are the list of command which has been exposed right now, I'll be able to see that. Not just that, even if I'm going to place any order, let's say I'm going to place the test order. Let me go to the playground. So here I'll go to the API key. And from the API key, I'll go to the playground. I'm going to place an test order over here. So let's say I'll go to the place order function and I'm going to send an NHPC order in CNC, right? I'll try to send it. The moment any order has been sent, instantly the WhatsApp will be messaged to me here. Not just that, even if you want to WhatsApp, the API has been already exposed so that you can also send through any programming. Also, you'll be able to send. Let's say I want to send a test alert from my account to my self account is what I'm going to send. So there is a message is getting delivered. You can also send to your bunch of friends. You can send that you limit only to the certain friends. You cannot use this for broadcasting to everyone. In that case, there is a high chance that your account might get banned. So if you are doing it within limited friends or to yourself, then it's good to go. You can go and build using the APIs and the Python functionalities. Let me also show you the Python functionalities as well. So if you come back to the application, let's say here is my OpenAlgo application, right? And inside the application, you'll be finding inside examples, inside Python, you will be finding a simple example for WhatsApp. So scroll down, you'll be finding this WhatsApp code alert. So what it does is it just simply connect to the OpenAlgo, right, through Python, get the codes. So here is the code, and this code, whatever the code which I got, I'm going to transmit over the WhatsApp. Right, so the message has been transmitted over the WhatsApp. I'm going to transmit over the WhatsApp. Once I send, I should be able to see it in my WhatsApp. So that way you can also transmit your stop loss target or any alerts that you are getting from TradingView, right? Or Go Charting or the platforms like any other external platforms. You want to transmit an alert directly, you can send it to WhatsApp at free of cost to personally to you, unlimited number of messages you will be able to send. So I hope you like this video. Let me know how the feature works for you in comments, and ensure that if you go to the WhatsApp bot, you ensure that the status isn't connected. If you don't want, you can always disconnect it. And if you want, you can also test out with the messages as well. So you can try testing to somebody else to ensure that the application is working fine, right? So I guess this explains how to use the WhatsApp bot alert. Let me know how it works for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.